to BB Loves Wigs. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am BB. Today we are going to talk about that cute little number that you saw right at the beginning of this video. She is gorgeous. The name of the wig is Toffee Brown Blonde Bob, and it's from Love Me Hair. Let's get into this wig right now. For the goodies, you guys, this is the box that it came in. I've already taken the goodies out, but I'm going to show you what the inside of the box look like. Yeah, it's pretty big. But the goodies that I got: shades, flat iron, wig cap, and in the correct color, headband. I don't know if you can see that. Some cards let me know about rewards, user guide, and labels for the box. And, oh yeah, one of these bags for the wig. And now it's time to introduce you to her. Ready? As you can see, I haven't done anything with her. She's gorgeous, right? Yeah. All right, let's get started. Okay, here we go. It is pre-cut and pre-plucked. That is a deep C part. Let you look at the hair from the back. Okay, what does she smell like? Let's see. Not bad, you guys. Not bad. That's good. All right. Here are the straps, combs, the adjustable band. And look at that lace. Nicely done. All right. Let's put her on. All right, you guys, it's not bad, not bad. I'm gonna have to put makeup on her. Yes, indeed. I'm not gonna put no baby hair on this, but I'm gonna have this match my skin tone. Okay, wish me luck. Everyone, I've finished prepping the wig, and this is the final look. How did I do? I think I did pretty good. While I give you the full view of this wig, I'm gonna let Carmen tell you about it. Take it away, Carmen.
Thank you, BB, and hello, everyone. My name is Carmen, and I'm back to tell you about this limited design, Toffee Brown Mix Blonde, Layered Cut, Glueless 5x5 Closure Lace Bob Wig made by Love Me Hair. The hair is 100% virgin from one donor. The density is 150%. The C part is on the right side but can be changed. The knots are pre-bleached, and the hairline is pre-plucked. The lace is regular, and it is a 5x5 closure. If you don't like cutting the lace, Love Me Hair does offer the option for $5. This unit also comes in natural black, which can be dyed. The wig cap is 22.5 inches, and it has adjustable straps and a band, making this unit a glueless piece. Love Me hair normal price is $299.89, but as of October 26, 2023, it was at $179.90. Price is subject to change at the seller's discretion. If you're interested in getting this unit, the Love Me hair link will be in the description below. And that's it for me. Have a great day, everyone. BB, I'm sending our viewers back to you.
Thank you, Carmen, for the wig details, and I really appreciate your help. And now, everyone, it is time for the good points of this unit. And let me tell you, there's everything you can think of that's good about this unit. It is glueless. Yes, if you don't like fooling with it, this is the wig for you. I love the perfect C part that they made. I didn't have to do any plucking. I did a little bit of cutting on the lace to get it closer to the hairline. But other than that, no big deal. I love the style. Look at that. It's perfect. Very mature, very adult, just like the title says. The hair didn't stink. It did not shed. It's lightweight. All the good points that you're looking for in a wig, this unit has it. And I highly recommend that you get it if you're looking for that wig that you can wear anywhere, to church, to work, to run errands. This wig looks like my real hair. It's a gorgeous unit. Gorgeous unit. Now that we've talked about the good points for this unit, it is time for the bad points. And I don't have anything bad to say about this unit. It is perfect. It's perfect. It is time for the flower rating. And guess what I'm going to give this lovely toffee brown blonde unit? Yes, 5 flowers, because she is fabulous. Yes. All right, everyone, this is the end of the episode. Thank you so much for watching. I'm glad that you joined me. I'm not going to take up any more of your time. You know the deal. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment if you can, and you know what to do. Take care of yourself, take care of your friends, take care of your family, and I'll talk to you soon.